Hello once again, programmers. It's me, 19 Cups of Java, bringing you another Java game tutorial video. I'm sorry I didn't post a video last Friday because I've had a really busy weekend, so let's jump right into it. I want to get started with the bar that goes across the bottom of the screen. So right now, we just got a ball bouncing around on the screen. We need something to get it to bounce that way, like upward. So in game.objects, we're going to make a new class, and this one's going to be called PowerBar. Alright, and basically what we're going to need is we're going to need a hold on, public power, make a constructor is what I'm trying to do, PowerBar. So basically what we're going to need is, it's going to start in the middle of the screen, so we're still going to need like the stuff we usually use, like int x, y, but the y is going to be predetermined, so I'm not sure what we're going to use yet. I think the screen's 300, so it's got to be somewhere near the bottom, so yeah, so 300, so probably like uh, 270, I guess. And then x is going to be in the middle of the screen, so what we're going to do is x equals, we're going to need a J panel, so J panel to get the dimensions of the screen. So J, and we're also going to put two more things here, which actually are never going to change. So let's put private final int width, and height. And then we're going to set that in here, which x is going to equal, we're going to set these first. So width equals j dot get width, j dot get width, and then you probably have to import this. Oh, it's already imported. It's just freaking out about the finals. And then height equals j dot get height. And then how we're going to determine this is x is going to be x equals width. Actually, now that I think about it, we're going to need a width and a height for the bar. Width and height, which these could be predetermined. So height can be like 20, and width can be 50. I'm just making it up as I go. So x can equal the screen width divided in half. So that's going to give us 150. And let's just set it back like 20. And that should get us some semi where we want. Alright, and we're going to need the two other things that we have used in the past, which is public void move, and then public void paint. It's going to require graphics G, and we're just going to do G dot fill rectangle, and it's going to be the x, the y, your width, and height. And just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to just make it gray, so G dot gray, or sorry, setting the color, g dot set color, color dot gray. Alright, and why didn't it put these in? Width, height, there. Alright, and then to move it, what we're going to do is we're going to give it some booleans, and these booleans are going to be private boolean left, right, and they're both going to be set to false because at the start we don't want it to start moving already. So false equals false, and then basically what we're going to do is if left is true. Well, actually, you could just do this, so I don't have to type all that out. If left is true, then what we're going to do is we just got to determine how far we want it to go. So I'm just going to put minus equals 2. And then the same thing is if, and actually this has to be else if because we don't want them pressing both at the same time. So else if right is true, then x plus equals 2. And we're going to need a few more methods, which are public void set left, and then also set right. And then it's got to have a boolean for a parameter. And we're just going to finish this class, and I'll get to the next class. So set left, so left equals b, so whatever we pass in. Public void set right, same thing, boolean b right equals b. Alright, and that's it for this class, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so next time we're actually going to get it moving. Just for right now, we have the class made. So I can just paint it on the screen real quick. So add a PowerBar, private PowerBar, player bar. Then just put it in here. So player bar equals new PowerBar. And actually, let's put this at the end. And then put this. And then I gotta import it, so import. And then we're just gonna put, for right now, we're just gonna paint it. So player bar dot paint. Pass in the G, and we should have our bar on the screen. See, we got our little bar right there. It doesn't move yet, but we'll do that next tutorial. So for right now, I might change the color because they seem pretty close, so I don't know. But next tutorial, we'll get it to move, we'll get it the ball to bounce off the bar, and maybe next tutorial we'll start getting the score up, like actually no, we have to do the blocks. So it'll be the bar getting to bounce the ball to bounce off the bar, and then the blocks. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, share. I'll see you next time, programmers.